Hello and welcome to another episode of 24 and 24. Still in Turkey at the moment and I'm doing a bit of waterfall hunting today. So first up we're at Upper Duden Falls. So we've got hopefully quite an impressive waterfall to check out, and there's also a cave which I think you can go under the waterfall on. It's absolutely dead here. It's obviously out of season at the moment. So let's go and check out this cave where I believe you can walk under the waterfall. You know, I've seen videos of this place in the summer and it's absolutely rammed with people. It looks like I'm the only person here. Oh wow, it's a proper cave. Okay. It is quite low as well, so mind your head. Oh, and it's wet. Oh, I'm going to get wet feet here. It's actually quite a long cave system. I've no idea how far it goes. Now this looks like a better view. So if you walk a bit further downstream, you've got a real life bat cave. I can hear the bats, I don't know if you can hear them, but I can't see any. I'd love to see some fly out, but I don't want to disturb them. Even down here it's pretty impressive. I did see on a video that I was watching of this place that there's a restaurant just down here, right on the river. It's quite early at the moment, so I won't be stopping for dinner, but there it is. Doesn't actually look like it's open at the moment. So that is basically it for Upper Duden Falls. Really glad I came. Bit of a tip for you. I'm staying in Kalichi, something like that, the old town. And I was looking for how to get here, and they do tour guides where you can do 3 waterfalls, which is this one, Kursunlu Falls and Lower Duden Falls. And it's about 2,000 Turkish lira for the guide, which includes lunch and entry fees. I didn't want to do that, so I looked into getting a taxi, which was 1,400 Turkish lira, which is about 50 quid, and I thought that was too expensive. What I did in the end was I worked out how to use the local buses. I went to Lower Duden Falls yesterday, which I wasn't really doing a video for, but I did get some shots, so I'll post that at the end of this video. And I got the bus here today, and both buses cost 18 Turkish lira each, so that's a hell of a difference. And I'm going to hop on the same bus now to Kursunlu Falls. There's a hiking trail there, and it looks like the best waterfall out of the 3 from what I've seen, but we'll see. Well, things have taken a bit of a turn. I've got the bus to my second stop of the day, which is Kursunlu Waterfall. I'm just about to get run over, and as you can see, it is pissing with rain. The first interesting sight on this walk, we've got a load of geese. Come on, come on. So we got first sight of the waterfall. Looks like I've got the whole place to myself again. Obviously the only idiot who's decided it's worth coming here in the pouring rain. I bet it is absolutely stunning in the summer here. I mean, even today on a pretty grey, miserable day, the water's a really cool turquoise blue. Yeah. I've just seen some other people, so I'm not the only idiot. Very cool. This is a really amazing place. So as I was saying, I got the bus, and the bus cost 18 Turkish lira, which is less than £1, and the entrance fee was 28 Turkish lira, which again is less than £1. So definitely well worth a visit. It's a place that I would describe as magical, despite the rain. Gonna go and have a look and see if you can actually get behind them. But what an amazing place. Wow, that's definitely worth it. This is the best part of the falls, where you can just about get underneath. Oh, I am so glad that I came here. It would have been such a shame to be so nearby and not visit. Such an amazing place. So just a little add-on to this video. I was just going to go and I saw the path going further downriver, so I followed it. And it takes you to this bridge where you can see the Lower Waterfall. And you've got a restaurant there. I've just seen the most rickety bridge that I've ever seen in my life, which I kind of want to cross, but do not know if it's safe. Let's have a look. Let's take it slow. I mean, it doesn't say do not cross. Do you think they ran out of wood? Yeah, I don't think I can do that. Well, I can actually, it's metal. Why do I get the feeling this is not a good idea? I got my foot stuck on a screw, so I had to stop the recording. Yeah, this is definitely not a good idea. Which is probably why they've taken most of the panels out. I'm nearly there though. Shit, that was actually quite scary. Okay. Why did I do that? Right, I'm going to make my way back to the entrance or the exit. That's it for today, definitely. But definitely check out those three waterfalls: Kursunlu, Upper and Lower Duden Falls. And definitely be adventurous as well and try and take the local buses. It's a lot cheaper and it just adds to the adventure. So yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you on the next vid.